our 25-liter hot water boiler and dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall height, we have at least 19¼ inches. And the length, left to right handle, we have at least 15½ inches. To the left is your temperature adjuster. In the center is your water level indicator with the dispenser underneath. Coming to your right is your on and off switch and the heat and keep warm light indicators. The twist of the lid, measurements for the actual urn. We have 14¼ inches in height by 12½ inches radius. Towards the back, we have our ETL certification along with our 110/120 voltage plug. For more information, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.